Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make WordPress site private. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. After successfully signing in, locate the settings section within your WordPress dashboard. You will typically see a direct link to your site settings, where a variety of configuration options are displayed. In this area, look for the section labeled Readings, which includes important tools for managing hosting preferences and overall site functionality. From here, find and click the Site Visibility option. Scroll through the available choices until you find the Privacy option labeled Private. This setting is essential when you want your website to remain hidden from the public. Enabling it restricts access to authorized visitors only, ensuring your content stays confidential and protected. Once you activate the private setting, look for the Save button and click it to confirm the change. With this final step, your WordPress site will switch to private mode, offering a secure browsing environment. And that's it. So that is how you can make WordPress site private. So that's all for this video. Thanks.